What's going on, guys? Chad here from MarineMax Jupiter. Today we're doing a walkthrough video on a Sea Ray SDX 290 outboard. This boat's equipped with dual 250 white Mercury outboards. We have a gray color scheme throughout the boat, gray sea decking across the transom, which goes all the way from the stern all the way up to the bow, all throughout the cockpit area. We have the stone interior color. This boat, you could either have a aft lounger here or the dual seats. We chose the dual seats option. It's been very popular, very nice. If you're pulled up to the sandbar, you can face aft, face where everything's going on. Very comfortable. You have armrests on both sides of these, as well as a storage compartment here in the center where you can tuck a phone, a wallet, cup holders for each person. Sitting back in this area, working your way up, you have a 12-volt charging port here. You have a fusion radio, so if you're in the back of the boat here at the sandbar, even from outside of the boat, you can reach up here, adjust the radio, change the song right from the back. You don't have to go all the way up to the helm. You have a storage compartment here. Be a good spot for some smaller fenders, dock lines, maybe if you want to throw some ice in there and some drinks. Now, there's a step here that drops down. That's great if you're pulling up to a fixed dock, maybe it's a little bit higher up. You could step onto this, and there's actually some non-skid up here on the gunnel as well. To be able to step off of the boat, working our way in. This is your summer kitchen area. This boat's equipped with a 30-volt shore power cord for charging the boat. You can also run your refrigerator while it's plugged in to the dock on that 30 amp. We went with a storage compartment here. You can add a grill, which would be right underneath. Nice countertop, as well as having your sink. Also, open up this compartment. You have storage spots for all the countertop pieces, as well as a trash can in there. Oh, one thing about the Sea Rays, there's plenty of seating. These are entertaining boats, great day boats. You know, seating throughout the whole entire boat, whether you're in the aft, cockpit, or up in the bow area. We have the sports tower folded up. There is a hookup up there if you want to do tubing or water skiing at the top of the sports tower. This bimini top extends out beyond the front of the helm here. It'll extend all the way back, so you have sun coverage all throughout this area. With the Sea Rays also, there's tons of storage. You have storage underneath all the seats here, access to battery switches underneath the aft seat here, index storage down here. That's a long, deep storage compartment. Would be a good spot for maybe umbrellas. You can put your covers down there. It's another spot for fenders, some bags you can tuck away down there. So wherever there's seats on these Sea Rays, there's going to be cup holders. You also have a cockpit table mount, as well as a bow table mount. Great for entertaining. You also have LED lighting throughout the boat here. They make it so it blends right in, but right here, aft on the starboard side, there's LED lighting strips. So at nighttime, this boat really lights up, makes it super fun. At the helm, the captain's seat is bolstered. So whether you want the bolster up, you want to stand here and drive and have some more space, or you could drop that down for more leg room. Sometimes I like to have this up while I'm driving the boat. That way I can see above the windshield, feel a little bit more of a breeze this way, because you can close off this windshield and actually help protect you from some wind while you're moving around driving the boat. So at the helm, we have our Mercury joystick, which is great for this boat, for docking. Another thing I love about the Mercury joystick is the sky hook feature that works off a GPS holding. It'll hold you in place while you press this. There's going to be a blue light around the joystick. That's how you know it's engaged. I'll use that when I'm pulling up to the dock. If I'm by myself, I'll engage the sky hook, go around, put my dock lines and fenders out, as long as, you know, there's no other boats there and you're in a safe spot. Great feature to have, really helps you out, especially if you're in an area where the wind or the tide's gonna be moving the boat around. Also at the helm, the Sea Ray is equipped with Simrad electronics. That's all touchscreen. Take that off. Also have your Fusion radio right here. You have a VHF radio, microphone, all within reach. You also have your trim tab switches, ignition, bilge pump, some of your lights here, nav lights, cockpit lights, hull, everything that you're gonna need throughout the boat. Also cup holders. Working over to the port, the co-captain's chair is also bolstered. You also have speakers up here in the back and forward. The music throughout the boat. You have more cup holders over here, as well as another little storage compartment. That's another good spot to put wallets and phones. Get them tucked out of the way in a safe spot. So for a 29-foot boat, you have a pretty decent sized head here. And this one has the finished countertop. You have some storage compartments down there, a sink. Nice feature to have on a day boat. Over on the starboard, this is where some of your breakers are gonna be. That's where your battery charger is, your shore power breaker. There's also a spot down there for the tables, dedicated spot. And there's another big index storage compartment up here underneath my feet. So my favorite part of the boat, the bow. This is where you have the best view. There's plenty of seating up here. Another table mount, which I had mentioned previously, which is stored in the starboard side compartment. I'm about 6 foot myself. There's plenty of leg space up here. Grab railing. Also, the gunnels are pretty deep for a boat of this size. You know, I feel secure in here. More speakers up here so I can enjoy the music that's being played, and the wind's not going to be blocking being able to hear the music. More cup holders under here. Also, you have the drop down armrest. That's nice, whether you want to lean on it or tuck it up out of the way. Also forward, you have your windlass right here. You have a remote in there. Be able to control the windlass. You also have controls at the helm for the windlass and a freshwater sprayer here, which you can pull out. If you get sand on the anchor, you can spray it right off with that. I love having the windlass here. A lot of the sandbars in this area, we back into the sandbars. What we'll do is we'll go stern in, we'll drop the windlass down, let the windlass out as we back up to the sandbar, and then just throw a lighter stern anchor. Makes it super easy at the end of the day, not having to manually pull up an anchor. It's the last thing you want to be doing. Be able to just hit that button, have the anchor come up. It's going to be a lifesaver. If you want to see this boat, call us today or come by MarineMax Jupiter and ask for Chad.